Think yawning means you're lazy or bored? Turns out yawning is actually smart. Researchers believe it helps cool down your brain, increasing airflow and blood circulation to prevent overheating. It's basically your brain's version of a fan. And that whole yawning is contagious thing, that's real. It's triggered by mirror neurons, the same ones tied to empathy and social bonding. So when someone yawns and you yawn too, you're not just tired, you're connected. Crazy, right? That's your fast fact. Subscribe for more in a flash.